Hello, electronic learners. Today, we're exploring the incredible world of multimeters. This gadget is a must-have for any electrical engineer, technician, or DIY aficionado. A multimeter is a versatile instrument that measures voltage, resistance, and current. It's a handy tool to diagnose electrical circuits and components. With its multiple functions, it's known as the Swiss Army knife of measuring instruments. The multimeter has evolved over the years from analog to digital versions. The digital variants offer greater precision and portability. These devices are essential in industries like electronics, engineering, and repair shops. Remember to always use a multimeter safely and correctly according to manufacturer guidelines. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.